The nematodiarus forecast has been released by Met Éireann and the Department of Agricultural, Food and Marine. Your lambs could be at risk. Nematodiarus worms may cause severe diarrhoea in young lambs, particularly grazing lambs between 6 to 12 weeks of age. When conditions are favourable, a mass hatch occurs, leading to a rapid infection rate. The forecast shows dates around the country when peak nematodiarus egg hatching is expected to occur on pasture. This is important as 2 weeks after peak hatching is when lambs should be dosed if clinical signs are seen. So what clinical signs are there? Diarrhoea, dull dehydrated lambs, weight loss, and multiple lambs infected at once. Remember, if lambs are on a field that was grazed by lambs in the previous grazing season, they are very likely at risk. Unfortunately, fecal egg counts are not useful for nematodiarus, as the damage is done before they produce eggs. Immature larvae causes the most damage. So for treatment, we're looking at our white trenches. These are benzimidazoles. They're still highly effective against nematodiarus on most farms. This should be used approximately 2 weeks after peak hatching date in your area. Please consult with your veterinarian to determine your best plan of action. So let's take a look at this year's map. So we can see that red indicates dates in March and yellow indicates April dates. So if we look at this area here, this date in March has been estimated as a peak nematodiarus egg hatching. So it's 2 weeks from this date when we should be dosing your lambs. Or in this area, we have an April date. So from 2 weeks on from this date is when you should be thinking about dosing your lambs. For more information and for this year's map, please check out the link below.